Alright guys, Voodoo Underdog here, and I wanted to show you guys I'm going to go target practice with my BB gun. It's a BB gun and a pellet gun. It's a little bit of both, but I wanted to... It's just one of the stock kind, so it's like $60 for it. It's not, it's just a regular BB gun, you know. Just a regular one. So, but yeah, I'm gonna go outside. I have a target set up, and I'm going to adjust my scope because it still needs a little bit more adjustment. And that's basically what I'm gonna be doing, is just adjusting my scope is what I'm gonna be doing. So, anyway, here we go. But like, it is a tiny bit windy outside, so just a little bit windy. But it's not as bad as it was yesterday because I couldn't film anything because it was really bad. It was thundering outside. It was everything else. Raining so bad, and my pellets got wet. My gun got wet. It's all that good stuff, you know, that Mother Nature throws at you. In the backyard, make sure it's safe. I'm not shooting around any houses, so right back there is like goes towards woods, and like there's a board behind. It's a pizza box, so there's a board behind it. The pellets, when they hit, they just go into the pizza box, and they just float around in there. So you got a board behind it, so nothing, you know, so the bullet doesn't go anywhere else. Make it a little bit safer, because safety first, right? Always safety first. I'm going to be hitting the bottom target, and we're going to go from there to adjust to see where I have to, just to see where my adjustments have to be. Off real quick. I suppose I could probably just do that, couldn't I? Don't mind me. I just need to pull off these little things right here. Little things. It's for the adjustment. That's all I'm doing. So now for these, what I usually do is put this in my pocket. I usually use a dime. I don't know. You can use whatever you want, but they're like, it's perfect for a dime. So you just put it right in here. You can just move it, you know. It's perfect for a dime. You just move it back and forth like that. But yeah, that's all you gotta do. And then you got your pellets right here. And I usually use these scissors, because these little clips right here, because it is so darn hard to actually, you're gonna open this up, and if you just use your fingers, the scope is in the way and stuff, so it's really hard to get like literally like that inside there, that little pellet inside that little hole with just your fingers. So I gotta use these. They work perfectly. They work great. So let me get one of those on there quick. Put that right inside there, just like that. Just make sure it doesn't fall out like it did. I have the gun like on its side here. Just a second, fellas. Okay. Going for the bottom one. Where I'm aiming for. Oh, I'm off a little bit. I got a bug crawling on the gun. Hit right there, and I was aiming in the direct center of it. So now I have to adjust it to go at least to the right, obviously quite a bit, and then I have to adjust it to where it goes down. Okay. But right now, that's all I'm gonna do. I will do a part 2. I will do a part 2 later on, not today, not tomorrow, probably the next few days when I don't have to work and I have a day off and stuff. So anyway, ladies and gentlemen, part 2 is coming soon. Stay tuned. Okay, it's Voodoo here, and I am making part 2 of shooting my pellet gun that it's a pellet and BB gun that I got, excuse me, that I got probably a couple weeks ago. As you can see, gun, just a normal stock kind, you know, normal stock, no big deal. And obviously, got my pellets, 500 pellets inside these. And obviously I got my tool to load it because, I mean, the scope is in the way, and you have to have these. I mean, my fingers, I mean, I have small fingers, sure, but the scope is in the way, so it's a little difficult to actually load it up. I mean, if you look at it, you know, real closely, I mean, don't worry, safety is always on. Safety first, guys. Safety first. So it's like a little bit hard and it's pretty far down in there, as you can see. It's a little hard to do it with their, you know, 2 fingers, 2 little fingers. Yeah. But safety first, guys. That is awesome. But other than that, like, safety first. If anybody watches this, please be safe. Please, safety first. Always. If you're a kid, always just make sure you get parents' permission or parents are watching you, just so you don't get hurt. That's all. Other than that, it's time to go outside, guys, because it is cold. It is snowing outside, and, well, I mean, it was snowing, but all the snow on the ground. I hate this season. A lot of people like it, but I can't stand it. My birthday is next month on the 5th, December 5th, so wish me a happy birthday in the comments down below. Appreciate it. Thank you for watching. Right now, let's just go outside and get stuff set up, and let's get started. So yeah, it's not too bad actually. It's not too bad. Like I said before, Mother Nature does its job. I hate the winter, but yeah, what are you gonna do? Mother Nature for ya. I don't have anything out here to even set anything on. Like, Jesus, like this, like, look at this. Like, how am I supposed to set anything on that? It's all snow. It's so cold. God, I hate this season. Let God be with us. He's with us every day anyway, so. What can I do here? See, I hate this I'm just gonna set these on the house over here. Pellets. Gotta grab my handy dandy tool. And that's gotta go there. Click, click. It is. Why is that upside down? Seriously? I never knew it did that. Okay, that's stupid as fuck. But okay, pardon my language. Dropping her inside. Cluck, cluck, cluck. And bam. Rock and roll. It's ready to go. I'm just gonna shoot a bunch of shit. That's all I'm gonna. Oh, safety's on. That's right. holler out to my friend, Country Boy from PlayStation. He's the one that wanted me to make this, and I'm trying the best I can for a tripod anyway. I'm not used to it, so just hang in there with me, please. Thanks. Pain in my ass. Seven, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. I've never done 15 pumps ever. So we're gonna find out. The pop can's already messed up from the last time I was out here shooting. I mean, you can see right there. I mean, there's a tomato and a potato. A tomato and a potato. I don't know if the camera can see it that good, but it's right there. Yeah. You might be able to eat it if you want it. It's disgusting, but look at this crap. Look at this snow. Country Boy, did you order this shit? Because if so, you're grounded, boy. You're grounded. I don't care what you say. You're staying in your room and you play your video games, okay? Wait. You do that anyway. Anyway, guys, it's really cold out here, and I'm going to fire off one more shot, okay? That's about it, and I'm going to go in the house, and that'll be the end of this video. By the way, Country Boy, thank you for letting me know that you wanted me to make a part 2. Whether if it's crappy or not, I still made it, so, yeah, be happy. One more, and then click. See other people doing it all the time, I just don't know how they do it. See if I can get the camera to look through it. It doesn't work like that, does it? No. They just do some severe editing, that's all they do. I just shot the wood, let's see what happened. Safety. Whoa, let's put the safety on here because I'm done shooting and it's extremely cold out here. See what happened. Did it even put a hole in it? Where did it go? Right there, boy. Check it out. Look at that. Right there. It went through. It went right through. It did. Well, that's cool. It hit the ground anyway out there, so we're cool on that. Safety first, always. Always safety first. Okay, anyway, this will be the last of it. This is the end of the video because it's really cold out here. My hands are actually cold and I can't do anything with my gloves on, so it's a little hard to load it and stuff. So anyway, like and subscribe, and please leave down in the comments what I said at the beginning of the video, which I forgot. I'm horrible. Anyway, see you guys later. I'm back, and back to Voodoo's channel. Anyway, I'm gonna go shoot my pellet gun again, and this time I'm gonna use good old-fashioned coffee can. Maxwell House. If y'all drink that, it is alright coffee, but I prefer Folgers instead. It's way better coffee. But other than that, I love the smell of coffee when you first open it and you buy it from the store. Oh, it smells so good. And the taste of it tastes so good too. Yeah. Anywho, back to part 3. This is part 3 of shooting my pellet gun / BB gun. And, well, here we go. I'm outside and I am going to shoot my gun. Hopefully I can put a good few holes in it. It'll be perfect. I'm gonna fill it with pellets. Jesus Christ, if I can even get the word out of my mouth. Would be fantastic, wouldn't it? Anywho, let's give this a try, shall we? Set my board up here. That pizza box has got to go in the garbage. I'm gonna shoot. I think I'm gonna do it this way. I'm gonna do it this way, I think. I'm just gonna shoot. Perfect. The metal part. It'll go through. Hopefully. Yeah. See how I do, shall we? I'm gonna load my gun up. Be right back. And ooh, wrong way. I don't want to zoom in on my fucking ugly face. But anyway, baby gun, obviously. Safety's on. Oh, now it's on. Well, it was on, but I turned it off. Now it's on. Anywho, let's load this up, and shall we? Yeah. Country boy would love this, because I'm making another part. Good or not, don't give a crap. I just like making videos. I love making videos. Be back momentarily. You'll see it. Dude, check that out, man. I didn't think it'd actually go through, but it does. Hell, that's awesome. I wonder if it actually went through. Let's find out if it did. Actually through. Look at the pellets are sticking right there. Oh, that's awesome. That's cool. Let's fire off a couple more shots, shall we? I'm gonna make this one short for no reason, just because it's Thanksgiving and well, you understand. It's Thanksgiving. I mean, it's the time to be thankful. It's awesome. Nice. Look at it, like stuck right in there. I wonder if I can use that one, like. Some coffee grounds in there. There's a pellet. Pellet weight down there. Hey, this one might be still reusable. No, it's not reusable. Look at it, just flattened it. I suppose by the impact of the metal, it's gonna flatten it, I suppose. That's really cool. Look at the holes it left. Yeah, fantastic. I'll come back out and shoot some more later on. Happy Thanksgiving, guys, and eat up, get nice and full, don't puke. It's a waste of food. Happy Thanksgiving, have a great time, and tell your family you all love them. Have a good one. Bye.